Hey everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. Today we are going to take a look at how to connect a subdirectory to your Vercel hosted application. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the settings, and from there we will take a look at the domains. Now there is this new section where we can put the subdirectory URL and choose the server that we are using. Right now we have a support for total 5 different servers. And in this video, we will take a look at Vercel. Before moving to this section, let me show you how our Vercel hosted application looks like. So this is a demo Next.js application hosted on Vercel. So this right now has only one page. So what I need to do is I am going to connect our blog, which is this one, to this particular URL /blog. So I'm going to copy this URL from here, get back to the dashboard and put the subdirectory URL in this section. And now we are going to select Vercel right here. Once you choose Vercel, it will give you a code that you need to add in your vercel.conf file. So I'm going to copy this from here and let's save this. Once this is updated, we need to do a bit of coding. So I'm dragging my text editor right here. And at the left-hand side, you see all the files are from the Next.js application. I'm going to create a new file called vercel.json at the root, and I'm putting the configuration right here. Once this is done, we can save this. And I'm going to push this code to the GitHub repository so that it can build the new version. Now we are pushing our application, and Vercel should automatically get the latest code and deploy it. Now let me drag the other window . Here you see right now Vercel is building the latest code that we have given to it. Let it complete the building process, which is basically going to take less than a minute. Okay, this is done. Now let's head over to this page right here. Now let's take a look at the blog and let's see. Boom, here it is. So you see right now Vercel has configured in such a way that if you go to /blog, this particular subdirectory, it is going to display your blog. So this is how easily you can connect BlogHunch to your Vercel hosted application and run it within the subdirectory.